Korea is not only known for its innovative skincare, but also its amazing hair loss and scalp care products. I stopped by the Olive Young store in Korea yesterday and bought 3 top-selling hair loss and scalp exfoliating products. I tested all of them out, and while they smelled amazing, unfortunately, it dried out my scalp and hair. I was a little disappointed, so I went back to using my favorite hair care products, the Cardon Hair Thickening and Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. Actually, I bought this shampoo and conditioner for my boyfriend, but I started using it and it's amazing. It's just better. And here's why. Not only helped thicken my thinning hair, but it also gave me softer and healthier looking locks. This shampoo and conditioner was in fact developed in Korea, but it was thoughtfully formulated with vitamins, proteins, minerals to not only combat scalp stress and prevent hair loss, but also to restore hair follicles with natural ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin B, and also beer yeast extract. And the result? Thicker, healthier, and stronger hair for days. Give this a try and trust me, it'll change your entire shower routine. Bye bye receding hairlines and thinning hair.